Okay, this is how to upgrade your MacBook Pro from a standard hard drive to an SSD. First, you want to get a SSD that will fit. This one is the same dimensions as the hard drive coming out. So you want to take off this retainer here. Just loosen the bolts or screws. And then pull off the retainer like that. Now you can leave the bottom one in and just pull up on the tab here. The drive comes out easily. Now you want to take off the SATA connector here. So to do that, you grab the connector, carefully pull it off with your fingernail. Be very gentle because wire will break. Okay. There's the connector removed. Pull the drive out. Now you'll notice the drive has these little retaining screws on it, which you want to put in the new drive, okay? So you would pull these out with a Torx T, I don't know what T number it is, but you want to pull these little guys out of each corner, all four of them, and put those in your new drive. And then this drive already has them installed because I'm just transferring it from a different Mac. My other Mac blew up. So anyway, the first thing you do then is after these are installed is you want to install the SATA connector again. And just do that really carefully, okay? So I'm just going to push it onto this drive. Like that. There. Now it's on. Now without kinking the wire, first you want to dip the back of it here into the retainer. There's little holes back there. You see the holes? They're all orange. Put those into the orange holes, the little nubs there. And once they're in the orange holes, just let it go. It'll self-seat into the orange on the north side here. That's it. SSD's in. Put the retainer back onto it. Just drop it in there. And tighten it up. And you're good to go. So that is how to install an SSD into your Mac. Tighten that one up. Tighten this one up. A little tighter. Okay, so this SSD came from like a 2009 Mac. And it has the operating system on it. It has everything on it, so it should go. You'll want to test this thing out, make sure it goes. So you can just put the back of this thing back on. And you can just put like a screw or two into this thing to test it out. Just put like one screw here in the corner. I could probably flip it over and fire it up now, but I just don't want to do that. Okay, now we'll put a screw in down here maybe. These tiny screws are hard to work with. So what's cool about these Macs is the OS will pretty much boot in anything that's remotely compatible within the line. It's like 2009, 10, 11, 12, whatever. As long as the connector fits, it'll probably go. So this Mac died. The old Mac, the donor of this SSD died a couple of days ago. The graphics chip went bad. So now here I have this Mac now, and let's fire it up and see what happens. There's a power button. And nothing happens. And I know it's not dead. That's why I only put one screw in. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day.